国际新闻来关心美国总统拜登的后生亨特非法买枪，昨昏伊方指控的3项罪名拢有成立，相当会判25年的有期徒刑。不过因为伊是初犯，所以有可能会判较轻。若宣判的日子，有可能是正晚美国总统大选投票的前1个月。拜登已经对外表示，伊会尊重判决。
德拉瓦州威明顿的陪审团裁定亨特2018年买枪不实的陈述，等3项罪名全部成立。
This case was about the illegal choices defendant made while in the throes of addiction, his choice to lie on a government form when he bought a gun, and the choice to then possess that gun. It was these choices and the combination of guns and drugs that made his conduct dangerous. Second, no one in this country is above the law. Everyone must be accountable for their actions, even this defendant.
根据了解，亨特的律师建议伊上诉，因为因老爸拜登嘛发声明尊重陪审团的决定，而且讲假做老爸对后生会当为毒品的问题回复是感觉真骄傲。
Hunter Biden is a first-time offender, so the sentencing guidelines are likely to be far short of what the maximums are, which is a combined 25 years in prison. He put out a statement after the verdict, thanking his family and expressing support.
这个审判受到真大的关注。纽约市真侪所在复苏新闻的电子扛棒一直报道相关的信息，除了对寻求连任的拜登可能造成选情的冲击，亨特嘛正做美国历史上头一届有总统的囡仔去互判有罪的案例。亨特今年54岁，伊遮的麻烦也毋单只一层，伊伫洛杉矶也有一件甲税务有关系案件去互起诉，按算9月份会开庭审理。公视新闻吴文玲编译。